Have you ever noticed that some road signs are as big as your bedroom door, while others are smaller than a pizza box? Today, we're going on a measuring adventure to discover how big road signs really are. We'll compare them to things you know, figure out why highway signs are giant and neighborhood signs are tiny, and you'll even learn to guess a sign's size using just your arms. By the end, you'll be a road sign size expert.
Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
We're about to unlock the secret size code of road signs. And when I tell you how big highway signs really are, you're going to be amazed. So stick around. Road signs are metal boards of all different sizes, designed to match how fast cars are going and how far away drivers need to see them. Some are as small as a backpack, while others are bigger than an elephant. Think of it like a video game. Things that are far away need to be huge so you can spot them, while things close up can be smaller. Let's compare road signs to stuff you already know. A standard stop sign measures 30 inches across. That's almost exactly the size of a large pizza. Yep, if you held a family-sized pizza next to a stop sign, they'd be twins. 8 slices of stopping power. Yield signs, those upside-down red and white triangles, are about 36 inches on each side. That's like 3 rulers stacked end to end, or a giant slice of birthday cake. But here's where things get wild. Those huge green highway signs you see on the interstate, the ones that say which exit to take, those monsters can be 12 feet wide or even bigger. That's as wide as a classroom door is tall. Some highway signs are so massive that your entire family could have a sleepover on one. Speed limit signs are smaller because they're in neighborhoods where cars go slower. They're usually about 24 inches tall, about the length from your elbow to your fingertips twice. You don't need a giant sign when someone's going 25 miles per hour. But on a highway where cars are zooming by at 65 miles per hour, you need something enormous so drivers can read it from way down the road. Okay, pop quiz time. A regular stop sign is about the same size as which food item? A, a slice of bread. B, a large pizza. C, a cookie. Or D, a birthday cake. The answer is B, a large pizza.
Hey! You're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Remember, 30 inches wide. That's one big comparison. Now, why are road signs so many different sizes? The answer is all about science, speed, and your eyeballs. The faster you're moving, the less time your eyes have to spot a sign and react. Imagine riding your bike slowly through your neighborhood. You can easily read a small sign, right? But in a car on the highway, zooming at 65 miles per hour, everything's a blur. That's why highway signs need to be gigantic. They're designed to be readable from about half a mile away. Here's a cool fact. The letters on big highway signs can be 16 inches tall. That's taller than a bowling pin. For every inch of letter height, you can read it from about 50 feet away if you're moving fast. So a 16-inch letter? You can read that from 800 feet away, more than 2 football fields. And here's another mind-blower. Road signs are made from super reflective materials. They have tiny glass beads baked into the paint that bounce your car's headlights right back at you. So at night, signs light themselves up using your own headlights. It's like they have superpowers. School zone signs are usually about 36 inches tall. That's about 3 large textbooks stacked up. They're medium-sized because cars should already be slowing down near schools, so drivers are close enough to read a smaller sign. Round 2. Highway signs are much bigger than neighborhood signs because cars on highways are going faster, and drivers need to see them from far away. A, true, or B, false. The answer is A. True. Faster speeds equal bigger signs. It's the golden rule of road sign design. Road signs are part of something called traffic engineering, which is the science of keeping people safe on roads. Engineers use math and design to create signs that save lives every single day. The right-sized sign at the right place can prevent a crash, help someone find a hospital, or guide a family on vacation. Every measurement is carefully calculated. In the future, maybe you will design the next generation of road signs. Some engineers are already working on digital signs that change size or brightness depending on weather or traffic. Speaking of using your body, let's try that measuring adventure. Next time you're outside, stand next to a stop sign and reach your arms out wide. Your arm span, fingertip to fingertip, is usually about the same as your height. Most kids your age are between 4 and 5 feet tall. A stop sign is 30 inches, which is 2.5 feet. So a stop sign is about half your arm span. Now try this with a speed limit sign. Those are usually about 2 feet wide and 3 feet tall. If you're 4 feet tall, that sign is 3/4 of your height. Here's a fun challenge. Next time you're on a road trip, look at those massive highway signs and try to estimate their size using the car. Most cars are about 5 to 6 feet tall. If a highway sign looks twice as tall as your car, it's probably 10 to 12 feet. Want to know something really wild? Final round. Why do engineers design road signs carefully? Is it A, to make roads look pretty? B, to save money? C, to help keep people safe? Or D, to make signs colorful? The answer is C, to help keep people safe. Engineers carefully design road signs so drivers can react quickly, avoid crashes, and find important places like hospitals. The right sign in the right place can make a big difference on the road. So, let's recap your new superpowers. 1. Road signs range from pizza-sized stop signs to giant highway signs, and every size has a purpose. 2. The faster cars go, the bigger the signs need to be. 3. You can estimate sign sizes using your own body as a measuring tool. Now that you know about road sign sizes, look around you and spot them in action. Next time you're in a car, check out the difference between neighborhood signs and highway signs. Can you guess their sizes? You've got the knowledge. Now use it. We turn everyday mysteries into epic adventures. If you loved becoming a road sign size expert today, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an expedition. Now get out there, keep your eyes open, and remember, every road sign you see was designed by someone who did the math and cared about keeping you safe. Maybe one day that someone will be you. See you on the next adventure, sign-sized detectives.
My mind is blown. Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, GetGoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, GetGoalie.com.